This tutorial will demonstrate how to change the optical head or inspection tip on your unit. Let's demonstrate how to change the optical head on your unit. Depending on the type of inspection needed, such as switching from a short to a long reach configuration, start by turning the optical head, retaining nut clockwise until it stops. Gently pull on the optical head to remove it. Align the anchoring pin on the new optical head with the slot on your unit, then place the optical head back in position. Turn the optical head, retaining nut counterclockwise to secure it in place. To change the inspection tip, first, turn the inspection tip counterclockwise by a quarter turn. Pull the inspection tip away from the optical head to remove it. Align the arrow on the new inspection tip with the arrow on the optical head, slide the inspection tip towards the optical head and over the unsecured lock until it stops. The new inspection tip is ready to use. For help, scan the QR code on the unit to access support resources instantly.